Abamenyi b'ekenyoro kia Ibencho ase constituency yabo Machoge Borabu nigo babaire bakorere serikali gose omobunge bwa Orongo Mosque Alpha Miruka anyare kobaga kobakonya magega y'embura entindi kobutora epara eywo ekorwa ase omochie o Kenya gochia Ibencho abwo ase amache amange arenge goeta ase epara eywo egento kiabaete obwoba abamenyi b'ensemo eywo egekogera amache aywo nabo arabe gakonyara gosomba nonya na abana babo egekogera tibabwati ase bagoetera.
Alpha, are you serious with the condition you talk about? I can't go to Kony. In fact, this is wonderful. In the water Kony. Alpha Miruka, almost me or my Jaga. You get it, you can't take the moment. By the way, I want to put everybody. What side? They're just suffering. Are you serious with our? Yani muyabu ebikoro please serikali saidia Alifa ngazi kiore tafadhali Alifa Miruka mwani Alifa nomo tukua sigete kama chora buya serikali abantu bami cyane gatela amaje ngayo koto irare makidogo koro